Whoa! Good sliding, Liam.
He's ready to do it again.
Hey, wait, what's that fun?
What?
Tell me what you're doing. What are you doing, riding your sled? In the snow?
You know?
Was that fun?
All done, okay.
Okay, all done. Get your sled.